Hello everyone, good afternoon. So I'm sorry I cannot live streaming by this one by DJ by Chess Radio because so I'm out of town without my communities without Southern Cebu. So it means so travel at the whole around by Southern by this province here. So stay at this one in this house. So we're here from this one. It is analyze of these games in FIDE World Blitz Championship 2025. So today is round number 3 with Blitz here within time clocks within 3 minutes plus 2 seconds increment. So in this today's round number 3 and also have a between from this first women world champion by Grandmaster China, Juen Jun by Faces by versus by Beautiful and Pretty International Master in Serbia is Theodora Incha. So it means so in this part of these videos here, we have analyzed here of the standings after round number 3 in Blitz Chess. So white pieces here. So white plays Juen Jun is knight f3, knight f6 by Theodora, c4, e6. It is called by English opening Anglo-Indians King's Knights variations here, and also b3 and also d5. So without d5 here, so without I'm coming by this one with captured without more by this one by c4 here, and also bishop b2 and also pawn to c5. Without pawn c5, without more by this one by 2 connected pass pawn here, and also c takes d5, e takes d5, and also g3. Without g3, without more by this one, without upcoming by this one, with light square by this one, with bishop g2, without fianchetto's attacks here, and also knight c6, and also bishop g2. So without bishop g2, without Zhu and Jun, without upcoming by preparing by this one by castling king side here. And also strong by Theodora is pawn d4, and also castling king side by Zhu and Jun, and also bishop e7. Without bishop e7 by Theodora, without upcoming by preparing by castling king side here, and also knight a3 by Zhu and Jun, and castling king side. So this is a novelty by Theodora from this database by recording. So these are the old main lines here by bishop to f5. So bishop f5 is a old main lines by database. So it means without without seconds by castling. So it means out of this book line by this one with Theodora. And also pawn e3 by Juen Jun, and also bishop to g4. Without bishop g4 by Theodora, without threats the knights, or without more by this one with pins without queens here, and Ju moves by this one by pawn h3, without idea, without Ju and Jun, without threatening the bishops here, and backwards without more, with backwards by bishop h5 with more this one by continuations by this one by Theodora here, and also e takes captured, and also c takes captured, and also rook e1. So rook e1 by Ju and Jun without more, without rook e files here, without defense by Theodora is rook e8 here, and also pawn g4. Without pawn g4, without threatening the bishop, so this is a bad move by Ju and Jun. So that's not one of this computer engine. So it means so the one's computer, the best move this one is knight to c4. So knight c4 is a best move by solutions here. So according this one by computer engines, so slightly better from whites here. So back there, this one is pawn, wait. So it means pawn g4 with Ju and Jun without threatening the bishops here. And need more backwards by Theodora is bishop g6 here. And also knight h4 without threatening the bishop. So it means another poison bad move by Ju and Jun here. So the best move this one is knight to e5. So knight e5 here without threatening with knights and bishop here. If your knight takes captured here, and also rook captured knight. Rook captured knight. So if you move by queen c7 without threatening the rooks here, and also rook to, wait, where are the moves? Okay, rook c4 or knight c4. Okay, so knight c4 here, so it means without defense, this one by rooks here. So according this one by computer, so slightly goods for whites here. So these are the controls by continuations here. So it means, so back there, this one is knight h4 without threatening the bishops here, and also knight to d5. So knight d5 here without move controls, with knights here within defense by this one by without connected by this one by dark pieces. So it means, so this is a worst move by this one with Theodora. So it means, so the best once computer this one is bishop captured with knights here. So if you bishop captured with a3 here, and also bishop to e4. So bishop e4 without light square, without bishop to bishop. So if you bishop captured, and also knight takes e4. So the ones of this computer engine with the good determinations here. So this is a slightly advantage for blacks here. Okay, so back there, this one is knight to d5 without controls, without move, without determinations from this one with beautiful Theodora here, and also decided by knight captured without bishops here, and also h takes g6, and also queen f3. So we have queen f3 without idea with Ju and Jun, with threatening with knight d5, because these are the queens without behind the bishops here, and also without move by these controls from this Theodora is knight d b4. Okay, knight d b4 here. So knight b d4 without move from this one without defense with knights and bishops here, and also rook ec1. So this is a low evaluation bar by Ju and Jun. So this is a blunder ratios from this computer engine here. So the best one's computer is rook e4, not rook ec1. So this is a more controls by this one without strong by computer engine. So these are a goods for white. So this is a slightly advantage here. So back there is rook ac1, blunder ratios by Ju and Jun here, and also bishop to g5. So another worst move from Theodora. So the best once computer this one is knight to e5. Where's knight e5? Oh, knight e5. So knight e5 is a threat the queens here. So this is a ones of this computer. So this is a goods for blacks from slightly betters from blacks here. So back there by Theodora by move by bishop to g5 with Theodora here, and also knight to c4. So knight c4 by move here by controls, without next by this one with continuations here, and excellent by this one with good move by Theodora is pawn to b5, good move. Without good move, without an idea, without threatening the knights here, and also decided by this Ju and Jun is pawn to a3. Without idea, with pawns without b5, without threatening the knight c4, or maybe without pawn a3, without attacks by knight b4 here. So this is a continuation here, and decided by this one is captured without knights here, and also a takes b4. So this is a not good by this one by computer. So this is a poison move. So the ones of this best is better move capture this pawn. Without capture these pawns here. So if you bishop captured with pawns without threatening the rooks here, and also rook d1 without threats here by this one with bishop, and also knight to c2 without threatening the rooks here. So this is a goods for blacks here. So these are the slightly advantage from blacks. Okay, so back there, this one is a takes b4 by this one by Ju and Jun here, and also the another good move by this one is push strong by c3 by Theodora with the threats the bishop and pawns with double attacks here, and decided d takes captured here, and also without openings with captured without threats with bishop g5 without threatening by rook c1 with Theodora continues bishop captured rook, one rook down by Ju and Jun here, because these are the more controls by openings here with continuations, and rook captured takes c1 and also rook c8 without pins without rook c files here, so it means so does not one of this computer engine here. So the one's computer is pushed to d3. So this is a continuations by this one by computer engineer. So according this one, so slightly better from black. So these are the more coming by this one by push d4 threats the rooks here. So back there, this one is rook c8 by this one by Theodora here, and also rook d1 without protects by this one with cannot pushes here, and also queen to d6. So it means so this is a second another poison move by Theodora here. So the best move, so the best the one's computer is d3 again. So without d3 here, so without more by this one by continuations here, so this is a good slightly better for black. So this is a second times from this one with missing the best move here. Okay, so back to this one is queen d6 by this one by Theodora here, and also without strong by Ju and Jun is pawn b5 without threatening the knights here, and also knight e5 without threatening the queens, and also queen g3 and also pawn to d3. So this is a late move from this one within more controls by push, so it means without third many bad move. So it means 20 seconds by Theodora. So it means without almost by running out of time here. So the best the one's computer this one is queen to c5. So queen c5 here is the best move from this one with better move from this ones of this computer engine. So this is a slightly better from blacks here. Okay, so back there, this one is pawn to d3 here, and without third by excellent by Ju and Jun is pawn c4, good move here, and push d2, many bad move. What happened by Theodora in check? So almost 16 seconds. So it means so this is a third poison move, so does not one of this push by d2 here. So it means so the one's computer the best is one. So what do you think about the missing without sacrifice with brilliant with beautiful Theodora in check? So guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. So the missing the best is boom, knight captured. Knight takes c4. So this is a miss brilliant move by this one by Theodora in check. So if you b takes c4 captured here, and also queen to b4 without idea with the threats the bishops here, and also bishop to e5. Okay, bishop e5 here. So this is a once of this computer, so this is a goods for whites and blacks, so slightly advantage here. Okay, so back there, this one with push without d4 d2 with Theodora in check, and third by excellent good move from this one is queen to c3. Okay, queen c3 is a best solutions without rooks, without attacks with pawns here, and also pawn to f6. So this is a many bad move. So what happened by Theodora in check without almost by 4 seconds, so it means without 9 seconds here. So the better move this one is rook to c d8 here. So rook c d8 here. So this is a good slightly better from blacks here. Okay, so back there this one is pawn f6 by Theodora, and also decided by rook captured pawns without threatening the queens, and also queen to c5. So queen c5 here, and also good precise by Ju and Jun is bishop to d5 without check here, and also king to h7 by Theodora, and also queen to g3. Okay, queen g3 here without move controls by movement by this one by Ju and Jun, and also pawn to g5, and also h4. So this is a bad move by Ju and Jun, so does not want of this computer engine here. So it means, so the best move the one's computer, this one is bishop takes e5 knights here, and decided by rook captured bishop. So this is a good slightly better from whites and blacks here. So these are a continuations from these determinations. So situations, so this is a better good move by this one by computer. Okay, so back there this one is pawn h4 by Ju and Jun, and also move by Theodora is knight to g6 here. So knight g6 without pawns, without threats that attacks this pawn, and decided by this one by capture this pawn, and also f takes captured. So this is a poison move, so does not want of this computer engine here. So the best move this one is rook to, where's rook e1? So rook e1 check. Okay, rook e1 check here. So if you move by king h2 and also captured, so this is a best solutions from blacks here. So these are a connected by this one, so this is a slightly good betters from blacks here. Okay, so back there is captured by pawns here, and also rook backwards d1. So this is a more controls by backwards, so it means, so the better move is king to f1 here. So king f1 is a good solution here. So this is a goods for whites from this advantage here. Okay, so back there is rook backwards d1 by Ju and Jun, and also knight to h4. Where's knight h4. So this is a worst move, so another worst move by this one with Theodora, so it means the better knight to f4. So knight f4 is a good solution here. So this is a slightly better from blacks because the knights without threatening the bishops here. So back there this one is knight h4 by this one with Theodora here, and also without excellent this one good move is queen to d3 check here, and also king h6, and also queen to d4 without queen to queen, and in accept Theodora queen takes, rook takes, sorry god I'm sorry, so it means rook takes, queen takes, bishop captured. Bishop captured d4. So I'm sorry I got wrong notes here. So it means bishop takes d4. So these are accident my move because the touchscreen my tablet, so I'm sorry I got wrong notes here. So it means bishop takes d4, and also rook c d8 without threats the bishops here, and without doubles, without more by bishop pairs, and bishop captured pawns. and also rook to e4. Rook e4, sacrifice. So sacrifice here. So if you bishop captured rook, rook captured this one with doubles with rook to rook here. And bishop captured, continue by this one by rook. And also without moving by rook captured without checks here. And also king h2. And also rook d2 without idea, without threats the pawns. So without continuations here. And also bishop to e3. So bishop e3 without bishop pairs, without threats the rooks here, and also rook to b2 without threatening the pawns without b3 here, and also without move by Ju and Jun, pawn b6 here, and also rook captured pawns without more threatenings here, and also without pawn b7 without upcoming by promotes without queens here, and also knight g6 by Theodora, and also pawn to c5 almost by this one by promotes here, and also knight e5 by Theodora without threats the pawns with check without continuations here, and also king g3 defends this one by pawns here, and also knight to c4 without threats the bishops here, and also pawn c6 almost by this one by promotes by this one by with pawns two connected pass pawn with upcoming by promotes by queen. So it means 10 seconds by Juan Jun and 11 seconds by Theodora in check. So it means 9 seconds. So c6 without upcoming by promotes, and knight takes captured e3 without captures here, and also captured by knights here, and also rook captured takes e3 check, and the finishing move is defense bishop f3. So it means resigns by beautiful Serbia international master Theodora Inchak. So why she resigns, for example, so if you move by this one, rook e8 only move by this one Theodora, and also c7 without upcoming by two connected pass pawn with promotes by this one with queens, and without rook e1 and also promotes without queens. So unstoppable by this one. So this is a wins for white. So it means black is game over. Okay, so the score by this one with 87.3 by Juan Jun, and the score by this one by Theodora in Jack 76 to 76.2. So it means the winner from round number 3, Grandmaster by first women world champion Juan Jun. So I will next up this one by round number 6. So I will analyze. So I'm not sure from this one without next round here. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark17, aka IconMark17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye-bye.